So look, if you're in the creative industry, or if you're just like a solopreneur, entrepreneur, new business owner, sometimes it's really difficult to like, hey, set up invoicing and ask people for money. Sometimes that's really it's different for people, right? So if you're in that boat and you're kind of like shy about asking people for money, hey, I mean, I don't have anything to follow up with that. But if you're in that boat, this video is going to help you out. So I use software. I use something called FreshBooks, and basically this sends out invoices, and it also sends out reminders. So I like that. I like the whole reminder aspect of it because I don't want to keep bugging people, hey, you owe me money, hey, you owe me money, hey, you owe me money. I don't like that feeling because I'm not really all about money, but hey, you're a business owner, you need money to keep the business afloat, right? So it's really important that you have some type of software that's going to send out invoices to individuals. This is going to automate all of those efforts of trying to collect money, which is going to give you some free time to actually do your job. So one thing that I have done is if an invoice is sent out and it hasn't been fulfilled, I might just shoot my client a text message or an email saying, hey, I noticed that this invoice hasn't been fulfilled yet. I got a notification. Let me know if you need help with anything. I'm going to send it over again. And I think saying something like that is not so confrontational, and I think it's very light, it's very friendly, but you're still asking people, hey, I just got a notification, it's showing that the invoice isn't fulfilled, let me know if I can help you out with something. And you're kind of being proactive by saying, hey, you will help them out if there's some type of problem. So that's what I like to do. I think using some software like a FreshBooks has definitely eased my mind when it comes to invoicing. It has automated the process, and it also has allowed me to focus on my work, which is extremely important. So if you're a small business owner, check out some type of software. There's tons of software out there, but really invest in something that's going to automate and follow up with your clients. And if they don't fill out that invoice, send them some type of text message like I just mentioned, or send them some type of email that says something along the same, I don't know, you get the point, right? So say something nice, don't be so like, hey, you owe me money, because people don't like that. I'm sure if you're like me, you don't just like asking for money, but again, you need it as a business owner. And look, if this video helped you out, go ahead, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.